Take one.
Hey, what's happening, y'all? Corey B. Pyrotechnics. We back with another one. This is called the Funky Donkey Balls. Y'all ready for that one? Donkey Balls. We gonna light one of these bitches and hopefully the popos do not get caught. You understand me? Stand back. All children, get your asses back. Stand back. Donkey Balls, here we go. And all else fails, hopefully the lighter prevails. Get back!
Run! And that's how you wake up the neighborhood with the donkey nuts. You better get them while they hot. You better get them while they hot.